Hello, so today we are looking at some of the lockpicking tools that I've made for this hobby. This was probably the first ones I made, just a prototype of a pinning tray made from veneer laser cut. It's proven pretty useful. And then I found this model of a 3D printed pinning tray, really small one. This was really nice. And you can even store some things under there. Fits perfectly. It's really nice. Then I made this kind of a jig for doing the ends for disc detainer picks. Do I have a... yeah. Let's look at that. So basically this is an ejector pin, and first you grind this so that you have the rough shape, and you put the injector pin in there, and then it's easier to get the correct shape and get the angles right. Just grind it flat and then do these markers for yourself. That makes it easy to create new ends from ejector pins. Easier to hold on and much safer. Here is one of the disc detainer picks. There's an ejector pin and 3D printed handles. This is a model from I don't remember who, but you can find it on Thingiverse. And then the picking tip is the silver soldered to this tube, so it moves around. It works really well. And that's a rear tensioning one, and a front tensioning one. Again, ejector pin, some tubing, and a 3D printed handles for it. Still waiting for my lathe so that I could make better handles. And here is another one. This is one you can use to tension from a random disc and go forward, and then tension from this one and go backwards. This is a bit stiff. I need to remake this. Then, of course, a random assortment of 3D printed plug followers, ready-made models from Thingiverse. Those are nice. And I made this lighted follower. This is just a 10 centimeters of acrylic tube, and then this was from a balloon light. You can put this inside a balloon, and then it will be nice for children to play. So this helps a lot with the smaller cores when you are doing the gutting and reassembling. It's really simple. Just a LED and 3 batteries, and when you turn it, the batteries attached to the LED. And then this was my for Abloy profiles, when you need to turn the discs. This was just made from an offcut that I can easily turn all the discs. I don't have a profile core here. Yeah, there. So it just goes in there, and you can easily turn all the discs. And then Abloy Classic picks. This is made from instructions from Idanhurja. The basic same idea, just an ejector pin and a roll pin ground to making the tensioner, and the picking tip. And this is a guitar potentiometer knob. I just drilled it through. Really nice. And then a profile pick with the same idea. Tensioner, and then the roll pin. The tip profile is a bit different. This is to get around all the warding. So it goes, I don't have a key for this, but there's a notch in the back disc that this needs to go through, and then it can rotate. Then of course a random assortment of windshield wiper blades turned into tensioning tools. There's lots more, just some of them. And then I made this small pick handle from a cabinet drawer, like a handle. Just cut off the ends here, and in a lathe I made a few holes so that I can insert these. This is from a windshield wiper, and this is from some other metal I found. It goes to here, so you can make more tips and just use the same handle. This works, but it's not great. It's too thick. You need to find a better metal for it. And I tried making a dimple pick, but this doesn't work. But maybe with some refinement on the tip, it might actually do something. And then for lever locks, I made this. Can't remember who was the person I checked the idea from, but this is made for a Squire 220, so you can get tension from there, tension from the disc, and then just insert the handle. Just bent piano wire with a slot there, so it's easy to use it. Works nice. You can open this one. Not the it was quite hard to make this slot. It's not perfect, but it kind of works. And then of course everybody prints this one. This is a really nice model. I think the only problem is that it's too light. It doesn't hold up that well, and I need to get a better screw. There's a wrong screw there. It's already on order, but not here yet. So that's about it for the tools I've made so far. Probably will do quite a lot more. I need to make a better classic profile pick. This won't work for every profile lock, because this does the 2 discs on the back, and not all profile locks have 2 zero cuts on the lock. Same with the classic pick. This also requires that the 2 backmost ones are the same cut. I already have the materials to do with the 1 cut there, but or I could grind this one down and then just go with this. But yeah, that's about it. This hobby is really nice. You can learn new skills. Grinding, silver soldering was really fun to learn, and it's nice to have all of these people sharing all the details on how they do things, and and then you can build your own. Yeah, thanks.